Y'all, look at this. It is November 15th. I don't know when I'm gonna get this video up, but look at this. I found all this autumn gorgeousness. Look at this. I don't have, look at this. Look at this. All of this. I was wondering where this was, but to find it at the end of the season, this was an old stack I really liked and couldn't find it. Oh, I'm just mad. I don't have a lot of autumn things, and so I was really wanting to use this. Look at this. Look at this. All that. Oh, it's over. Now I have this. I'm editing this video right here, so I'm gonna put this. I think this is gonna be the last autumn thing that I put up. Is my ode to autumn. But gosh, to find all this, maybe I would have had more videos. I had the energy to put up more videos. Look at it, because all the little scraps are in there, everything. And we pray to see another year that I could use this next year. Look at all this stuff. Did he even put out Mombi packs anymore? There was one hidden underneath that. But I just wanted to come in here and show. I know I can't be the only one who finds stuff all late and wrong. I mean, usually, yeah, like this video is done way ahead of time, but I probably won't put it up to New Year's. No, I'm kidding. Happy New Year's, everybody. I'm kidding, y'all. But to find the stuff all late, I was so mad. I was so mad. All right, that's all I wanted to come in here and say, show you all this and ask, am I the only one who finds stuff late? Late! What? I found a late. Oh, look at this. I love those colors. We had a good, really vibrant year this year, so that's why I was still inspired. But most people have gone on to do Christmas, and I don't. I think I'm going to end this part and go to the next one and then talk. Oh, yeah, you gather. Oh. All right, y'all. That's what I wanted to show you on this part. Now, for this, I'm laughing because I was doing a voiceover or something I was showing. But anyway, hey, everybody, let's glue book in my random item glue book. Now, you can see this is the last when we did this the last time, and now we're gonna get started on a new page. And right here, random item is what I mean is that I just use everything and anything and I glue it on down. If what I find on my desk, my scraps, or anything like that. I think I'm going to insert. Should I insert it now? No, I think maybe. Well, anyway, well, yeah, little piece. You see, that was from an old project, and then I had bringing out the stuff, y'all, bringing out the stuff. I was glad to find this, my bag of scraps from last year, because even there was the book in here from last time. But I don't think I found anything out of that. Wait a minute. So this is my random item glue book where I fish everything, all my scraps together, and I glue it down. It is open to anything and everything. Old scraps from projects, what this is, anything that's on my desk. So this isn't just magazine only. This is anything go with the flow, as I've always been. Put anything down. It's maybe for people. See, this is us. I'd identify from off of project. See, I did that project, but I never showed it off of a piece of paper, and they had anyway. It's a strip off of a pattern paper, and now I'm using it as washi tape. And then now I got that from. Where did I get that from? Either Michael's or Hobby Lobby off that clearance last year. I think it was last year. So I want to add some more color down in the backgrounds. Gonna get that pressed down. Yeah, the best time to get your stamps is after Christmas, around March. You can go in there. Hobby Lobby usually has. I don't know if they're gonna do it this year. Cause is it true that Hobby Lobby's getting rid of that craft section? Cause that's the only time I go really in there is after if I can make it in there is after about February, January, February. No. Yeah, February, March where they had that clearance. So anyway. Yeah, any residual. I'm always about putting it in another book. I don't think, my art journal anywhere else I can put it in there. My old faithful was sitting there, so I put it in out in there. Yes, oh, as I was saying, y'all, I put the other clip. I think I put it early. If I didn't, I'll put it somewhere in here. Oh, and here's another thing. Use what you have. Here's my product packaging. This is going to be a more journal style where I'm going to write in this in the on this. So I love the LED lights that they have at the Dollar Tree. Y'all pick them up because when there's an emergency and your electricity goes out, boom. Now, many years ago, and I have it on the channel, my electricity went out for 2 weeks because the oh gosh, it is right in my, not the transform, something, it broke, and the electric company won't put it up. That you have to get an electrician to come put it up, and it was hard to find an electrician to come out and do that work because they want to come out and do the big stuff. And so for 2 weeks, I had found an electrician, and then he flaked on us, and then I found another one, and thank God he came out and he put it up. But anyway, for 2 weeks we didn't have electricity. And I'm going to tell you today that those Dollar Tree lights worked very well. The house was lit up with Dollar Tree lights. Believe it or not, nobody, they're bright. So whenever you see them, get them and stock up because it's safer than candles. I don't even know why in 2025, going into 2026, people are still touting go get some candles. Yeah, preppers, yeah, you could cook if you really know what you're doing with a candle, but to light your house out, no. And you have pets and children and all that kind of running around, or you want to fall asleep, get you some Dollar Tree lights and some batteries and charge. Y'all have something. You have something because it is really bright, and those little lanterns and stuff like that. Y'all, I'm looking at this through the viewfinder. I really missed my to the random item glue book. It is so much fun because I just like just slap it down, whatever. Well, anyway, oh, and then I said, yeah, y'all. I know you see, yeah, she's still doing autumn. Yes, I am still doing autumn. Y'all know I don't put up no Christmas crafts until after Thanksgiving. Uh, Now in my house, I'm slowly. This year, I feel like decorating. Usually, I don't. Sometimes I don't. But I'm slowly putting up Christmas stuff right now. That's right, because Christmas it just goes so fast. It's like, well, didn't I just put this out and I gotta put it back? But I buy things that could, or I decorate with things that could carry on to Valentine's Day, and then because it's red, and by Valentine's Day I'm ready to snatch all that red down and get rid of it and put up green more, into the house. So yes, I have started decorating for Christmas slowly. No tree up yet. Shoot, I'll put it up. If I feel like I'll put it up because it just has string lights on it, so it's neutral. I don't know if I'm going to put bulbs on it this year. I didn't last year. I don't know. I hope to. We'll see. Yeah, but it was a really pretty autumn this year. Really crisp. Not cool all the time. It was warm still, but crisp air, and it was just so pretty. The leaves were vibrant, not my in my yard or anything. They just turn that horrible brown, and then it goes. But traveling along, and we travel back to see family, so we got to see The leaves, and I always say I just want to see the riot colors, the burgundy and the orange and the gold all together. I really do. It is so much fun. And in the pumpkin spice, I'm a pumpkin spice girl. Gotta go get my pumpkin spice lattes and my pumpkin spice coffee and cold foam and all that goodness. Guess what though? If you've been following me a long time, I don't know, the pumpkin Pop Tarts aren't quite hitting this year. I mean, I don't know. Is it because I'm getting old? Is it because I'm maturing? I don't know, but they're not just hitting quite right the same way. I mean, I'm getting them, but not like how I did before. I got enough to last me until March, but this year I think I only have 2 boxes. It's not bad. I don't know. Is it? Y'all did all the dental work I'm getting done. I don't know, right? I don't know. But anyway, this page is the old washi tape. I was glad to break out my washi tape. Oh, I missed it. But you know what's easier? Again, if like I said, you're a beginner glue working, the magazine only is where to be because everything is in there for you to get started. You don't have to, first of all, clutter up if you're a beginner and you don't have the room and stuff. We glue bookers and we crafters, we have stash, and we need to use up our stash and put them. See, look at me. What? This? See, I tore this out one of my coloring books. Now I'm gonna put it in here. I didn't like it. Wasn't turning around, so I ripped it out and in my glue book. Everything is fair game in my glue book. Oh, I just had so much fun. No, anyway, like I said, the magazine is just where to go. Because everything, you get the pictures, the vibrant pictures, you get the your sentiments, if you're into sentiments. Not everybody is. Um, I am, but everybody isn't into it. But you get a lot, all your things is right there into your magazine. So that's a great place to start. Because trying to find and trying to collect odds and ends and pieces to put in a glue book, you will spend your life just trying to find the material to glue down. Or some people don't, they just want to start. They just want to see what's this glue booking business about, and just start the glue book. And having a magazine is a great way to start. You don't have to have all the things that people have. Anyway, oh, so I didn't talk in the last video, but see, I'm making up for it this way. That is okay. I guess where I had a little bit of dental work saying it's not okay. Yeah, right now I'm starting to fiend a little bit of some coffee. I know you're like, didn't you already have some? Oh, please don't come back up in here and do a voiceover. Cause y'all know if I'm already wired. Now coffee doesn't always do that for me. This week, oh, it was tough. I was tired. And I can say, okay, a good cup of real coffee is going to really kick in, and it never kicked in, y'all. Is it kicking in now? You think it's kicking in now? Because I have had a cup of coffee, not that real cup. Oh boy. Yep. This is my ode to fall. I am kind of sad to see that I really didn't get a time to really play with my fall thing. And I'm not talking about my fall things that I showed you in the beginning of the video. I'm talking about my magazines. I thought I was going to have time. That's why you just don't never know. Time just moves so quickly. Y'all enjoy your life. Oh, and I wanted to really quick mention about these ads. Now, when I was monetized, before I went on my hiatus for a year and a half, that was back in 2022. I didn't put ads in the middle of the video. If I had a 16-minute video like this one, I would put it at the beginning and at the end. I wouldn't put them all through the video, because that gets on your nerves. Now, so I don't know. I'm doodling, I'm writing, I'm doing everything. You'll see. Oh, maybe y'all don't see because the video cuts off. But I'll show it at the end. You'll see I write all through it. Like I wrote into that. Well, anyway, back to that. So y'all, if y'all hanging out with me, and thank you for hanging through the if there's a lot I don't know of ads. I'm not placing those ads. I'm not getting paid for those ads either. I'm not getting paid yet. I mean, and come to think about it, you don't get paid when you get paid. If you know what I'm talking about. You don't get paid twice a year, maybe twice a year. Now some of us, I guess, out there might, because you don't get paid till you get to $100. Sometimes they pay 6 months. So if you're new to YouTube, don't rush this process. Don't rush to get monetized, because when you get it, you're gonna be like, what? Make sure you really enjoy doing this. Make sure it's a lot that goes into this, and this is Get Ready Cut Off, where you can see where I wrote everywhere and things like that. I'm still talking, so maybe I will have to stretch this out a little longer somewhere. But make sure, because it's no money in it. It's zero. But I would. That's another story from another time. I'm talking about real money. Yeah, it's some going to Dollar Tree and going down to Ollie's and stuff like that, but not no, Mm-mm. Anyway, that I'll have to discuss at another time. But what I was saying is, thank you for tolerating if the ads are coming up a lot, and I don't know if anybody knows how the new system is. Do we, as creators, have the ability to place our ads like we did back in the day? Because I don't want them all through my video, because I was watching this girl live, and god dang, it was every 5 minutes I had to leave, and that's not fair to her, but it was annoying. You know what I'm saying? I don't put ads like that, so I just wanted to let you know that's not me. If it's an ad every time you look up, and that's not me placing them. uh that's, so I guess YouTube could get paid from their advertisements, but I'm not getting any of that or anything. So thank you so very much for watching. I haven't done this in a while, and if you made it this far and you want to let me know you were here but you don't have anything to say, and you really want to help out my channel, leave a, well, okay, the scissors and the book emoji could wave at me. You may be tired of the pumpkin. What else? I was trying to put the leaves up there, but that is a little hard to find. But leave a scissor emoji or a wave emoji or a glue book emoji or anything emoji you want to put down there to let me know that you've been there. And I would like to thank you so very much for watching again, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.